So now we're gonna do some experiments with these libraries and take a look into a bunch of code snippets to be able to actually use these APIs. First, let's create a directory where all the relevant files generated throughout this guide can be stored, and execute this task with this command here, which will simply create a directory and goes to it. After that, you could basically, for the successful implementation, you'll need to actually install the Web3 library and the Solidity compiler. To obtain both packages, you could execute this command here using pip3 for Python and using npm for JavaScript. Of course, this version here depends on the version of Solidity that you're going to use in your smart contract. So make sure that you're using the right version. Then we'll set up the HTTP connection. Prepare your Web3 HTTP connection to align with any EVM-powered network. To synchronize your project, you must secure an endpoint and API key of your own. And here's how you can get started with each network step by step. So for Python, you need to first import the Web3 library into your project using this line of code. Then to configure the HTTP connection to your RPC endpoint, insert the provided RPC URL into this code here. So this RPC URL could be basically, you can have a bunch of options for this. So it's totally dependent on what's the use case. And for the JavaScript code, you could utilize this code here to create a Web3 instance. And you can insert your RPC URL into this code here to establish an HTTP connection to your RPC endpoint.